Have you ever had trouble switching out your drylin W liners? Today we're going to take a look at the most efficient way to disassemble and reassemble your drylin W linear system. Hi, my name is Matt Rozzero. I'm the drylin Product Specialist for IGUS. One of the more frequently asked questions we receive here is how do I remove and reinstall the drylin W liners? And also, how do I ensure that they're properly aligned upon reassembly? I will now demonstrate in a few easy steps the most efficient way to get your drylin W linear system back up and running. In this example, we have the WS1080 rail and carriage assembly. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove these 4 fasteners from the top. In this case, it's an M4 size hex wrench we'll be using. The sizes of the fasteners that we use on our systems are available either on our website or in our catalog. Now you can take off the top plate, move it to the side, and you can easily remove the drylin W liners and carriages. The next step to remove the liner is take your 2 fingers and you can just roll it towards you. Comes right out, take your new liner and you can roll it right back in. Once you've switched out your liners, you can add them back to the rail, and you can put your plate back on top, and this is where you're going to want to make sure that their holes are lined up, and you're going to want to apply 50 newtons of compressive force to the top of the plate to ensure that all 4 bearings are properly aligned. Now your system is back up and running. For more information, please click the link below in the description. They'll take you to our website. There will be tech data and other information on our drylin W systems. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel as well. There will be many more informative videos such as this one. Thank you so much for listening. I'll talk to you soon.